Maybe it's too soon, yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose, gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red. No, not tonight, 'cause I'm over with some friends, and I'm over sending texts, and I need to feel you here tonight. And I know you're home alone, just staring at your phone, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. 'Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. Just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you staying in, or are you down to go out? If it gets too late, we'll go back to my house. Better get here fast, 'cause I really need to feel you right now. 'Cause I know you're ADD, but just focus here on me, 'cause I need to feel you here tonight. Yeah, we're having people here, and we'll get a little weird, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. 'Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. I just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you close? Are you close? Are you close? Are you close? You should come. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come.